Hello everybody, Ameshwari here. Team, I have given you 2 projects already in the Teams group yesterday, isn't it? Ashima, let me check how many have joined the Teams group. V2 automation. So we have 285 members.
Ma'am, simultaneously we have to join WebEx and Teams.
Not required to join Teams. Just, it's not to join the Teams call. Just have, just to verify the document. See, I'll just share my screen. See, team, if you see here in my Teams, I'm not joining any Teams call. I just joined this group. That's it. Okay. So
Okay,
I'm the owner and we have members and guests 285. Team, don't join as guest here. Use your Wipro ID. So if you don't use Wipro ID, then it will show it as guest. For talent transformation. Mark talent transformation. See, if anybody have joined using their personal email ID, try to join from your Wipro email ID. I see all of you have joined as Wipro. I don't know. It is saying guest.
Ma'am, can you please reshare the link?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please check my name.
No, wait. Have you joined or not? If you have joined, you will see this B2 automation. If I start checking, see 500 people are there. Everybody will ask me to check. What's your ADID?
LA
LA
4101
4101.
100.
There is no code, Subhashni. This group is created without any code. You just need to join the link.
Ma'am, we have to just click the link and then this interface will come, na?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, please search my name.
Sorry, names are not searched. I'm not encouraging that.
Excuse me,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
please. Ma'am, I tell you AD.
Tell me.
Ma'am, MA
MA
40
40
11 4932.
Mahesh Ganesh Naik, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am, how to confirm that we have joined with guest ID?
If you log into your Teams, you will see this group. I am
Yes, ma'am.
into all these groups, so that is the reason they are, I can see them. If you are able to see 2022 intern B2 automation, then
Yeah,
you
ma'am.
are into this group.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, LA41.
No, I'm not going to check it. You please check it, log into Teams and verify from your end. Okay?
Ma'am,
Okay,
just
ma'am.
rolling, ma'am, just not just logging. Don't show anything. First you join, login and again join. Then you show that 2022 intern B2 automation.
So team, here I have already uploaded the required files. You cannot download them because it's not Wipro laptop which you have, it's a personal laptop. But you can always open and see. Okay? So these are the test cases. Why this is brought here. I think I thought I was in manual test. First you start with manual testing team. RS testing hotel management. Okay, right? Open this document, read the requirements, start writing the test cases in Excel. That is the first thing. Second one is open this Excel. Team, please don't try to edit this Excel. Just open and read the Excel. Okay, and then start writing the Selenium test cases. For this, you have to install OpenCart application on your machine. So for that, I will be sharing the link. By mistake, I have deleted. I will just share that again here. Okay. So the links and videos are available in this text, which will help you in installing OpenCart on your local machine, and you will have to create Selenium scripts. Okay. By going through this test cases. Yeah, for OpenCart already test cases are given. You just need to automate them using Selenium WebDriver. That's it. Hemant Kumar, join the Teams group using this link.
Ma'am,
And
one doubt, ma'am.
there's no executable application. You just have the screenshots, take that input and start creating the test cases. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, is it compulsory to download Teams? Is it fine if we do it on web application itself? Well,
Yeah,
since it's fine, right, ma'am?
go with browser web version, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Chaitra, you can respond the same that you didn't receive the documents yet. That is
Okay.
taken care by a different team, so you have to respond to them only.
Yeah, ma'am, sure. Thank you.
Right.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, team.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
ma'am, I'm getting errors, some errors, ma'am. Can I share the screen?
Yes, you can share.
Ma'am, yes, screen is visible.
Not yet visible.
No, ma'am.
Munikumari, please don't edit the given test cases. Just read
Ma'am, is
the
it
test
visible?
case in the Excel and create the Selenium script. That is project 2. Don't edit those documents, team. Your screen is still loading, Mahesh. Shala Khan, not sure. Hope you have responded to the survey. It's not in my hands. Yes, Karnakar, you have to finish.
Ma'am, is there any deadline for project submission?
Yes, so, do it before your assessment.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, is it
Have a
visible?
review. Mahesh, what happened, team? Others, can you see Mahesh's screen?
No, ma'am,
No,
loading.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Mahesh, maybe you have network issues. Try to reshare. Stop sharing and share again. So all others, please start with your project activities. Manual testing and automation. First start with manual testing. Read the requirements document and start writing the test cases in your Excel. And after finishing that, then you go to automation folder and install OpenCart. And whatever test cases are given in the Excel, you have to automate them using Selenium driver.
Ma'am, is it visible now?
Yeah, now it is visible. Tell me.
Ma'am, actually, I have given one feature and I have given 2 scenarios, ma'am. Hello?
One feature and 2 scenarios.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. For first scenario, when I executed that, I got the output, ma'am. But for second scenario, I'm not getting the output but I have used the regular expressions also, ma'am. This is the step definition code, ma'am.
So, what is the error you getting?
1 second, ma'am. Okay. Actually, it's not showing any error, but here it is showing errors one.
Expand that.
This is the one, ma'am. Here it is showing error, ma'am. Homepage default login. This one.
Home page default login. Home page default login. Both the okay, user net banking scenarios. So first scenario is what failing.
Ma'am?
There is a duplicate step definition, it seems. You have
Okay,
to
ma'am, but duplicate step definition is not a problem, ma'am.
but that is what in the failure trace it is saying. Did you ever read that failure trace?
1 second, ma'am. This one, ma'am.
Mouse over on the first line. Under
This is
failure
one.
trace.
This is the one, ma'am.
Yeah, what is it saying? Duplicate step definitions. In step definitions, user login into application with something and password.
Ma'am, but I have used regular expressions, ma'am.
Just change the step. Go to scenarios and feature. Go to your feature part.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
What is the step definition it is talking about? Mouse over on failure trace once again.
One second, ma'am.
Step definitions. User underscore login underscore into application with something. Go to login feature. Underscore login into application.
This is the one, ma'am. But I have used different values, ma'am.
When. Yeah, those are values. Step to def. But the step are the same, right?
Yes, ma'am. But implementation is same, ma'am.
Yeah, so it doesn't accept duplicate steps. So here you say login 1, login 2. When
Here,
you
ma'am.
login 2, yeah, just add 1, 2 there. Login 2.
One second, ma'am.
And then home page is populated. Home page is populated. Here again, third one you say home page 2.
One second.
Come back to login.feature.
One second, ma'am. 1 second.
But you understood, right? What is the problem?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Then.
1 second.
Go to login feature.
Ma'am, this is the different one. I think so. Homepage default login.
Go to then homepage 2.
Ma'am, but that is a scenario, ma'am.
No. See.
Okay, ma'am. I understood.
Or just see if you change the scenario, that will be fine.
No, ma'am. I have not changed the scenario, ma'am. But I'm using different values.
You understood, right? So wherever its references are there, so there you just update it and see if it is working. If not, then you have to delete its step definition. That login to page 2, generate again skeleton code and copy paste. Okay.
You are saying about this one only, ma'am. Then home page is populated.
Yeah, wherever steps are the same, those you modify, and all the references of these modifications also have to be carefully updated.
Okay, ma'am. Let me do it.
You got it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, try it out and see. Update.
Can I stop sharing?
Yeah, you can stop sharing.
Thank you.
Ma'am, how to do project in group or individual?
Do the project activities individually. Only presentation will be in group.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a problem. Can I share my screen?
Yes.
Ma'am, in group, how many people should there?
That I will tell you later. First, you finish both the projects.
Ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I tried with the IE browser. So when I run it, It will open, but the values are not taken.
You can see only Eclipse. Your browser is not visible.
Yes, ma'am.
You're saying values are not taken. Tutorial
Yes,
1,
ma'am.
tutorial 1. Username N is uppercase or lowercase? Is the object identified?
Ma'am, is it in Word?
First, share complete screen. I cannot see browser. I can see only Eclipse.
Actually, you're not clear anything.
1 second, ma'am.
Mahesh, please go on mute.
They're not the ground uses at that.
Bhagyaraj, please go on. Bhagyaraj, go on mute.
Can you now see?
Yes. Okay. Yeah. Now it's visible. Try to run now. It's opening the browser.
It will not take the.
What is the error? Is that object not identified? Object not found is the error? Scroll down. Still waiting. Go to the browser. Right click on username text field. Inspect. Do one thing. Okay, close that inspection DOM Explorer.
What, ma'am?
Close that XML code.
This side, ma'am.
Bottom console, you just close that. So on the other, any other browser you have tried with?
Ma'am, I tried with. Now I try with the
Okay,
Firefox.
now read the error. Now you got the exceptions. Come to the console. Read the error. Scroll up in the console.
Ma'am, this is not.
Says Java util. Wait, don't run again. How many times you will run? Read the error. Selenium
this is
timeout exception. Util. Scroll down. Down. Wait. Can you give me the control? Browser 11 JavaScript page not Internet Explorer JavaScript. Concurrent output exception. Is that Internet Explorer version matching with what you have?
Microsoft Edge.
Internet Explorer. You're using Internet Explorer
Yes, ma'am.
because it's not with your script. What is this second step? Spark style color. What is
I
that?
use for the same link text, but when it is not, so I try with the expert.
This is for clicking on sign in.
Yes, ma'am. Just to sign in.
And only after that you get this username and password. Not
Yes,
on the
ma'am.
home page directly
No, ma'am.
because it is with your browser. It's like it's not with the. Where is that sign in? This you are getting directly, right?
Ma'am, just sign on.
Done. I think you just where is sign on here.
Ma'am, I am unable to join Team chat, ma'am.
Check it on browser. Don't go via Instagram.
Ma'am, can I try with another browser?
That's why the another browser. This is the sign on.
You can go with Microsoft Edge browser.
Try with Edge. So, Samir Mohammed, the manual testing project, just we have to issue. You need not fill that pass or fail. Just write till expected behavior. That is enough.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I got the output, but actually I have one doubt. Can I share the screen?
Yes.
Ma'am, my screen is visible.
Yes. Yes.
Actually, for using this when keywords, we can use the same implementation details, but we can use different values, no, ma'am.
Mm.
But why can't I? Why I am getting the error by while using a login feature like when I use login with this line 13th line and under when keyword, no, ma'am.
Instead of you creating, if the steps are same, we
Ma'am,
can
but steps are stay same, but we are using different values, no, ma'am.
different values means this you will have to give one scenario with parameterization. What you have
Okay.
done is incorrect because same scenario you have repeated.
Ma'am, what is parameterization, ma'am? Can you explain?
That is what you give. You run the same script 2 times with 2 different values.
That is what I done, ma'am.
No, but you have written scenario twice. You are not
So,
supposed to write scenario. You are writing scenario twice. You have to make that there are no duplicates, which means internally it considers as 2 different scenarios.
but I observed that somewhere that when we write the same scenarios, but if we use different values, they're getting the output, but I'm not getting that.
No, no. If you will get if you are changing the steps.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. That's what. For that, we need to use different scenarios, right, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Team projects are not new topics. If you have written test cases in Excel in the beginning of our training internship, have you all written test cases or not? Now I just gave a different requirement specification document and I'm asking you to write the test cases. Have you have worked on Selenium WebDriver earlier? Now I am giving the manual test cases in OpenCut and I am asking you to automate them in Selenium WebDriver. What is there to explain there? If you are new to this training, yes, definitely you will not be able to understand and I am not going to repeat the things definitely. That's why you have to be regular to the class. Lahari, you want me to share the test case template once again? Yes, I can upload in that manual testing folder itself. I'll upload that test case template. Okay, it is uploaded. Test case template is added to manual testing folder. You can verify. Ashima, okay, fine. Team manual testing project is nothing but read that RS document, read the requirement, understand the requirement, and start writing the test cases in Excel. That's it. Create an Excel on your machine on your own. Don't try to edit that Excel template which I have shared. Okay, that is just for your reference to understand that column names I have uploaded. Don't please edit that Excel. Okay, you create your own Excel in your laptop and create the test cases. Same way, you have to create Selenium automation scripts for those OpenCart test cases. The second folder. Is that clear to you all? Share your screen, Munikumari. Have you written manual test cases? Have you written test cases when you were learning testing concepts? So the same way here, different requirements are given in the requirement document. So how do you test that requirement is what your vision on that feature, how that requirement would be available the application. So that is the reason sample screenshots are also available. Understand from that and write the test cases. How do you test it? Okay. I will tell you where to upload and all. We'll see later. I will tell you. But for now, you start writing the test cases. Sai Raghav, that is fine if you can write one test case for one requirement, that is fine. But if you have any important scenarios, then you can write multiple also. That's up to you. Assessment date, still I'm not updated with the assessment date team. So I'm still waiting. Samir, yeah, better to follow the same template. That is how even in your project will be within.
Ma'am, the open cart installation text file is not opening, ma'am.
Open cart installation is not opening. Did anybody open? Re-log into Teams and see. I'm able to open. It will take a while, okay? Don't be in hurry. It will take a while to load. Or I can also share it. There is nothing much in that text document. There is one web link and one YouTube link, which will help in just installing. So maybe I will just give that. Yesterday I have already given it in the WebEx chat. But anyways, I'll just share those two links once again in the chat. Please copy those links. So only those two links are what there in that notepad file. So you can directly copy from this chat here. Okay. So team, please work on it. Today we have received mail regarding registered mail. So Mahesh, to whichever email account you are receiving Wipro emails, give that email. Okay, so team, put your queries if you have any in the chat. I will be back in half an hour by 4:30. In 20 minutes, I will be back. I just have to get the other batch. So please start working on the project. If you have any queries, just keep it in the chat. Chandrasekhar, yes, once these two projects are done, we will have a presentation session. Okay. After that, internship is done. Yes. So, Mahesh, then give the other email ID. That's okay. Shubham, Sahu, Rohan, Samapti, Rudra, David, and Selenium web driver. That is fine. If you have done it on just Java, plain programs, that is also fine, no problem. Because anyways, test engine, you are doing it on WebDriver. Shravya, first project is writing test cases only. Second project is Selenium WebDriver. I didn't get the assessment date update. Please wait.